In this video, we're going to be searching this 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor Utility. I just had her dropped off this morning. She was a former police SUV from an unknown police department. We're going to fully search her for goodies, equipment. Let's find out what was left behind. What did it come with? Where did she come from? What are we going to do with her? Can we find a biscuit? Let's find out. Let's go. Check out these grill lights and siren speaker in here, and check out this light bar. This is a sound off signal LED light bar with a solar panel, but check it out. It has a connection port right here. It connects right in there, but unfortunately they put some sort of silicone in there, so we cannot connect it. And check this out. I have a blacked out traffic advisor back here. And when I picked up this Explorer, the back window was already bashed out. I'm not sure what happened here. Looks like there was some sort of lights right here on both sides, and this looks like it was for the push bar. It goes all the way up to the frame. Looks like they've removed the spotlight and then added this rubber Play-Doh thing. Piece right here is warping from the heat. All right, got my gloves on. I'm gonna start my search from the front and work my way to the back. All right. This looks like a Troy center console with a Motorola XTL 2500. And we have a Smart Siren SM, switches and buttons, and a charging. And we have a Motorola radio speaker. See what's under all this car spaghetti. This is the Smart Siren brain. It's missing the cover though. Oh, all right, so we have a security Velcro patch. Looks like there was some connection to a computer screen. Oh, whoa, handheld metal detector. Oh, that scared me. Oh. All right, so we can use this to help me find biscuits. Let's test this on myself. Ooh. Yeah, let's see what. Oh, the keys. Yeah. Oh, look. So if I push this button right here, instead of beeping, it vibrates. Haha, nice. All right, let's take a look down here. Junk. So this looks like a tourniquet holder, or a tourniquet case, I should say. We got some shades here. Dirty. It's okay. All right, let's take a look on the other side. Okay. Not sure what this is. It's got a little bit of weight to it though. Get your car spaghetti. Oh, it's locked. I can fix that. Just kidding. Oh, look, it's got gun lock keys. Maybe there's a gun lock back there somewhere. Yes, yes, yes. It's a charge guard. This thing, if connected properly, will make sure that your battery does not die. Okay, so we have some Whelen hideaways. I believe these are Whelen as well. There's all this glue on there. It looks like they just glued them on. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do something scary, okay? I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna show you what I look like with a beard on. I have not shaven since the last time I posted a video, which is like over a month ago. So don't be scared, all right? Here we go. Ta-da! Yeah, don't know why I have this. It might be gone by the next video. No guarantees. All right, let's close that. Oh, check it out. Sacramento Protective Service. So that's a local security company here in Sacramento. I'm starting to think that this vehicle is from a security company. I did find a security badge, and then I found that little patch. And then there's the metal detecting wand, usually used by security companies. So I guess we're gonna keep looking and find out. All right, let's start this baby up. So she has 144,000 miles. Let's take a look under the hood. This bad girl is powered by a 3.7 liter V6 that produces 304 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds. Clean, dirty, but clean. Okay, since we're out here, let's remove these grill lights. There we go. And here's the grill lights. They're ions. This looks like a universal bracket. Nice. Let's look under here. Sterile. Urine? Oh, heck no. Urine for a treat? Oh, hell no. It's a sour liquid candy. This is like a novelty joke thing. Or is it? Let's open this up. I was so confused for a second. Who's brave enough to try this? Okay. Smell it. That smells really good. It smells like lemonade, like sweet lemonade. Or is it? Okay, we have a Martian dome light. Here's Mars. Here's the moon. And if you guys want to support the channel, buy a Crown Wreck Auto dome light sticker. It goes just like that. This helps with the dome light not being so bright. Links in the description. All right, got the center console out. And here's the Federal Signal, Smart Star and SM. Ooh, this thing's so dirty. Got some sort of pillow. BioClean. Okay, seems like we have some sort of light here, sound off signal, but I don't see a cable anywhere where I can light this up. I'll try that later. Look under here. Lancer Defense .43 cal pepper round. Oh, these seats are in excellent condition. Just a little dirty. Frost guard, some sort of fire extinguisher. It's locked and loaded. Coming out the boot, ready to shoot. Yeah. So look at this, a Unity LED spotlight, but look how ugly it is. I wonder if I can restore this. I got the first layer off. And this is the after. Looks like a alarm clock. Oh, some more pepper balls. Oh, but these are rubber rounds. We got a few Peerless handcuff keys. Actually more in here. Quite a few of them. Stop a shoulder strap thing. Ooh, look, somebody dropped a dime. I would never drop a dime, would you? All right, so let's take a look in the trunk. Guys, actually, look right over there. That is a K9 unit I just got, so that video is coming up. I got a few other Crown Vics. Some of them were completely boring with no goodies inside, but this one is very interesting. And I got an undercover Impala right over there. Also, part 2 of the fully loaded Chevy Caprice video is coming up real soon. All right, let's look in the trunk. Or like you English guys say, let's look in the boot. Okay, what do we have here? Look at this. A tinted, blacked out traffic advisor. It's nice.
Take a video.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be amber for directional. It's still a directional, but red and blue. Wow. Ooh, we have an American flag. America, the world's police.
Get down on the ground!
Look at all this glass. It's a Mr. Hard Hat. Hello? Hello, Mr. George? Yeah, the new guy? Fanilio? He no good. How much you pay him? Too much? No, today he was 6 minutes late. Mr. George. And he take the company truck and he go get tacos for the plumbers. No good. No good, Mr. George. No, no, no. See, Mr. George. All right. It's heavy. Yeah. Some sort of brackets. Some more brackets. Be careful not to get cut here. Please be a biscuit. Snow chains. More snow chains. Oh, looks like a good tire, but nothing else under there. No biscuit. What is this? Oh. Holy sh! Warning, not a toy. Misuse may cause serious injury. Oh, yeah. Hornet. This looks pretty freaking new. 0.43 cal. Oh, yeah. Let me Google this and see if I can figure out how this works real quick. These smokes. Oh, dude. Died already. I'm gonna head over to my local Walmart and go buy some more CO2 cartridges. I'll be right back. So I got an 8-gram CO2 cartridge. Tighten it. All right, let's go test it out. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna try are these rubber rounds, these 43 cal rubber rounds. So you just load them up right there. It just goes like this. Push the button to take the safety off, and let's go test this out. All right, guys, you're in for a treat. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Look at that. This was pretty thick, strong plastic, too. Candy. It's good. Okay, so this is supposed to be 365 feet per second, which is decent. And this Hornet pepper ball gun is illegal in California. But then again, what isn't, right? What's the damage? Will it cause a dent? Let's find out. It didn't even shoot anything. Oh, shit. Let's see. Oh, looks like I'm out already. Okay, let's try the pepper round now. Got the pepper ball in. Let's try this out. So a lot of tweakers come in here, tweak all night and sleep in here, believe it or not. And then they get up in the middle of the night and steal converters, tires, batteries. So hopefully this makes it more difficult for them. Okay, definitely strong. My question though is, if this is self-defense and you shoot it in the house, you're just gonna end up screwing yourself over as well. Okay, let's shoot right over there, see if it makes a dent. Ooh, get away from that thing. Now I'm gonna shoot it straight in the air. Let's see if we can see it. Nope, lost it. That dies pretty quick. Oof. Trigger. It's on safe. There it is. Now it's off safety. I'm gonna shoot that right there. What the fuck was that? You got it? Did you miss?
No.
Nope. Good. Look at this guy. You know, you guys know who this guy is. Okay, so unfortunately I cannot go and test this out in the streets because the transmission is really bad. It's completely messed up. I'm gonna fix her up, clean her up, and get her sold to a nice family. If you guys are interested, contact me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. You guys hear that? That sounds like a Tasmanian tiger call. How cool would it be if I found a Tasmanian tiger in Sacramento?